Good evening. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Tuesday, June 10th. Here we have the Dow 15-minute chart. A lot of chop today in the session. We had a decent pop early in the day, but sellers kept coming in, and we ended the day flat. Nasdaq was pretty weak throughout the session. Right now in the 15-minute chart, we're stuck in this bullish falling wedge. We really need to break 12,550 to get any way bullish at all. Right now we could go either way. However, a look at the daily chart is a little bit more comforting. Possible bottom here, but we really need to see a large move tomorrow to the upside, or else we're going to see 12K and under in the next few days. So we should see a nice pop in the market. Well, actually, we should see a big move in the market tomorrow. Hopefully it is up. The target would be, again, on the 15-minute chart, it's got the 550 area. If we look at the daily chart, the 20-day exponential is also at the 12,550 area as well. Volume pretty anemic. One positive, stochastics are oversold right now, so things are aligned for a pop here. Helping stocks today was a retreat in oil prices thanks to the dollar. Mentioned on Sunday, very bullish chart setup on the US dollar right now. We've got this ascending triangle in place here. That is a mirror of the ascending triangle we saw in the SMH when we called the breakout there in May, and we saw 15% rally. So target would be at least a move to the 200-day moving average at 75.50 on the dollar, and a move there should take a big chunk out of this ridiculous price of oil that we've seen recently. SMH touched the 50-day moving average today. We've been looking for this over the last couple of weeks. Would really like to see some more downside, at least to the uptrend line in the 30-50 area before considering to add. Sell volume has picked up, which is bearish. I mentioned that the other day. RSI has broken 50, and unbounced volume, as you can see, starting to roll over. So stochastics too. Some more downside in the SMH before we feel comfortable calling a pop. However, the candle we have here, we could see a spike tomorrow or a breakdown. So keep a pretty close eye on that. XOMA, very nice breakout on this one today. We tagged this as a scalp entry in the chat room yesterday, $1.90, 10% pop on it today. Would be looking to add retracements to the 195 area. Might be ready for a test of the 50-day moving average here. That's at 225. We've got a strong MACD. We're about to get a very strong ADX cross. Stochastics look really, really strong here. Broke up over 50 today. And on bounce volume looks bottomed out as well here. And if we scroll a little higher, we've got a break of 50 on the RSI. That is the first time we've seen that since the sell-off back in May. So XOMA looking really, really good here in a really crappy market. SCMR, Sycamore Networks, continues to bounce around in this trading range. Nice setup here. Stops 320. Looking for at least a pop to 335 to 340 on this one. Chart looks ready. I mean, we don't want to be in a lot of plays, but stocks like XOMA and SCMR are what we're looking to scalp, at least until we get this pop in the market that we're hoping is going to come. Last mention today, ELN, huge pop on ELN today on massive volume. A lot of speculation that Elon's going to release its Alzheimer's trial results tomorrow at the Goldman Sachs conference. So let's see what happens. If we don't get any news tomorrow, the option crooks will come in and smack it back down to 25. If we do get news, we could really see a run on this chart. RSI broke up over 50. We're about to get a positive MACD cross. We have a positive ADX cross, and stochastics look very bullish. So the chart, the volume, and the indicators say that a big move is coming in ELN. So let us see if the chart is correct this time. That is it for the video tonight. Only a couple of plays. Very difficult market right now, so no use throwing away money trying to get gains. Let's be really patient. sit on high cash and let the market come to us. If we get the rally that I think could come, if it bounces tomorrow, there'll be lots of trading opportunities. So a little bit of patience here and let the market tell us what's going to happen. I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Good night.